Well, we're now in my workshop and I'll endeavour to show you how to make a ring out of the gold that I found. A fairly simple method. Most handymen could do it, I think, using cuttlefish bone. Well, this is what I'm going to make the mould out of. Cuttlefish, a cuttlefish bone. Some of them I have picked up on the shoreline, but this one I think I bought from the pet shop. That's what budgies have in the cage. Anyway, first I've got to saw it in half, and then I've got to plane these off level so as they fit together. And I'll have a look when I get a bit further along. That's it, that's sawn that in half. Now I've got these two to really flatten to get a nice fitting surface. And I'll do that, and I'll film it when I get that done. This is how I grind it flat. So that these two will fit together. I think they will do. Got to get a nice fit there. Just give it a little tiny bit more. And that one, that'll fit. Yes, I think that'll be alright. Do all of that. Well, the next part of the job is to make the impression, and I use another ring, and this is the ring that a Roman made, getting up 2,000 years ago, and I've used it quite a lot and reproduced this shape, and that's what I'll use again for this one. So I put the ring in about there, press that in, and I put this one on the top like so, and I've got to press them together. Crush them together, and the ring will be in between the two pieces of cuttlefish. But to make sure that we've put it together right, I have to put a couple of pegs in, small nails, something like that. One here will do. And what we do, we'll put the nails in on the outside here. Put one through about use the pliers just to get it started. Let's get it started. That should press through. Well, it's got two pegs in, so that when I put it together again I should be able to get it in the same position. Right, so we'll part it now and see how we've got on. Yeah, we've got the shape of the ring impression that side, and here we've got the ring here. I want to get it out without damaging there. That's the shape of the ring. I'll put them both together and they'll match up. So I have to cut now a channel for the metal to flow in, and we'll go somewhere about like that. That's cutting both of them. The same will do with this side. Just put a mark where it is. That one there. That one there. Well, that's got that part of the job done. So pop these together, the nails or pegs, they just fit in those two holes, and that lines it up vertical. And that has to be clamped together and held, and pour the metal into there, and with a bit of luck we get a ring like this. Well, this is my setup. I've got the blow lamp stood in the drawer, and that is a fire brick that I've cut, and it's made so by as it'll reflect most of the heat back into the crucible. And here we've got the mould that we've made, got it into position, clamped. It'll be ready for pouring the metal. I have it all on a tray, and then if there's any accident, any spillage, this is the gold I've got ready to melt down. There's 17.5 gram there, 170 odd grains, present value about £200. But you do need half as much again gold as what you need for the ring, or whatever you're making, to give it sufficient weight to go into the mould pressure. Heating the crucible, I've got two blow lamps on it to get the heat I wanted in the finish. You've got to be quick on this part of the job to get the metal in there. You just see it going quick, and that's it. It soon cools. The next part of the job, just waiting for that to cool down. And there's the gold. It's been poured into the mould, which is two pieces of cuttle bone, and you'll see when I part it what I mean. There we are. It's got burnt now, but that's the impression of the ring.